My garden is packed and ready to go. I am moving house, guys. Bittersweet if you ask me. I am still in Portmore though. This is the new space. Here am I cleaning up, super tired and barely going, but it's happening. At this point, I wish I could snap a finger and everything appear. So this is the before. This is the after without the red mulch. Welcome to my Jamaican backyard garden. This is Gardening with Stacy. One day in the garden. What do gardens do in the garden? So guys, let's add the red mulch together. Let the garden pop a little. Guys, guess what? I have sweet sap right here. There are a few waiting on me to be picked. This cucumber right here, something got to it. I am so pissed right now, but it is what it is. I left my cucumbers for merely 2 days unattended, and the worms took over, leaving all their poop as evidence. I will just spray them down with the hose. For those who always ask about what I use for pest control, this is one of them. I spray off worms or aphids with water at high pressure. I prefer not to use anything on my plants. My plants are looking really badly right now. They need to be cleaned up, but I am so tired, so it will have to be another day. I am just so grateful to have them. Guys, tell me your opinion. Do you think I should mulch the black areas that you're seeing right here, or I can let it stay? So this is basically the finished product. What do you guys think? I am still trying to get used to this space. Just want to take the time out to thank all of you for your support. Thank you for journeying with me, whether from the get-go, halfway through, last week, today, just now, or about to. I appreciate you all. Thank you so much. Thank you all ever so much for your kind words, your encouragement, and prayers during my time of bereavement. Your support on this platform and externally was a big help, and I love and appreciate you all dearly. Thank you so, so much. May God's richest blessings be upon you and your families always. It has been a pleasure having you all. Also, thank you so much to everyone who purchased one of my books, about to, or thinking about getting one. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for your support again. God bless you all. Feel free to check out my older videos if you haven't already. And until next time, walk good.